Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Chris and I'm the Sales and Marketing Coordinator here at Cansec Systems. In today's video, I'd like to show you a new and exciting tool we've come up with, which is designed to make your life super simple and eliminate all of the guesswork that could come with creating an access control system. We know that between different manufacturers, there could be a different list of materials that you need, but we wanted Cansec to be one less thing for you to worry about to ensure that your customer gets what they need in a timely fashion. So the tool that we're going to talk about today is called the Webster Kit Configurator, and it's right here on our website, www.cansec.com. When you first arrive on our page, it is the first thing here on our landing page, so you can access it here, but this is a rotating page, of course, so if it's not right here on the front, you can always find it up here on the tabs right here. Essentially what this tool does is it provides you a bill of materials to create a full system on the Cansec side, of course, based on the number of doors you select. And it is going to be a Webster-based system. If you don't know what Webster is, it's Cansec's browser-based total access control solution, which runs on a Webster Mini host controller or a Webster 64 expandable host controller. If you are familiar with how Webster used to work, it was running on our map panels, which limited you to a maximum of 8 doors. But with Webster 64, it totally increases the level of flexibility and, of course, expandability. You can now expand up to 64 doors using 31 client panels. So once you're here on our kit configurator, this tool is designed to be for both dealers and distribution as well as end users. So let's just say you're a dealer or you work for distribution and a customer calls you and they're looking for a system for, let's say, 4 doors. You just select the number of doors that you need, and you will be greeted with a PDF that lists everything that you need from the controller, the readers, enclosure, necessary credentials, as well as the power requirements, backup battery, and a door contact. But we do not include locking hardware here because that's not something that we provide through Cansec. And we also know that locking hardware can vary from site to site, so we left that out to be taken care of on the distribution end. As you can see, we give you the quantity, the part number, description, and an image of the product as well. So this is a great tool, if you just need to click on the number of doors and see the bill of materials, it's right here, but you could also print it or you can save it as a PDF. And from there, as I mentioned, this tool is suitable for end users as well as dealers and distribution, which is why we left the pricing out. But after you save the PDF, you can always email it directly to webkit@cansec.com for a quote or for more information. If you are an end user, you can go to our dealer and distribution tab right here, enter your zip or postal code, and you'll be provided with a list of the nearby dealers or distribution that can assist you, and you can contact them for support. If you go back to the original WebKit page, we also make it easy here and ensure that all of the necessary documents that you may need are here, including the installation manuals and the operator guides for Webster Mini and Webster 64. We hope that you enjoyed today's video and thank you so much for watching. We hope that you are as excited for this tool as we are, and for more information you can always contact us at sales@cansec.ca or you can give us a call and we are always here to support you. Thank you so much and have a great day.